Alright, welcome to the video, everyone. So today we're going to be looking at the order of operations. So what are the order of operations? Well, that's the order in which we do the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, all of that. What order do we do those in? So you may have seen this. PEMDAS. And textbooks and professors, they will give maybe a little phrase to help you remember that. So if it helps, you can think of a phrase to help you remember this, but this is essentially the order of operations. So P is parentheses. I think I spelled that wrong, my apologies. E is exponent. M and D, those are multiply. Let me get rid of the D there, sorry. So M is multiply, D is divide, A equals add, addition, and S equals subtraction. Okay. So since P is first, we do this one first, and S is last. Okay. We go in this order, so that's first to last. So let me give you a quick example. 5 plus 2 times 3. Well, let's see, is there any parentheses? No. Are there any exponents? I don't see any. M, multiply, is there any multiplication? Yeah, 2 times 3. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to write it right below. 2 times 3, that's 6. So now I'm going to bring everything else straight down. So now we have 5 plus 6. What's 5 plus 6? That's 11. A common mistake that some people may do are they see 5 plus 2 times 3, and they forget the order of operations. So they take 5 plus 2, they get 7, and then times 3, and they get 21. That's going to get you the wrong answer. That's why the order of operations are very important. Okay, here's another example. I'll write it right over here. 3 times 2 to the 4th power plus 1. Well, do we have any parentheses? I don't see any. Exponents? Yeah, we got one right here. So anytime I do an operation, I like to just move down a line. So 2 to the 4th, what's that? Well, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 16. And now we just bring down everything else. So we got a multiplication sign we just brought down. This 3 we got to bring down. The plus sign we got to bring down. And then 1. So now we have 3 times 16 plus 1. Well, 3 times 16, what's that? That's 48. And bring down everything else, plus 1. What's 48 plus 1? It's 49. If you don't follow that order that I just did, the order of operations, if you do 3 times 2 first, or 2 plus 1 first, you're going to get the wrong answer more than likely. I've got one more example. And this is parentheses 7 squared plus 3 times 2. So we look, the first thing we do is look at the order of operations, parentheses. Do we see parentheses? Yeah, we do. So we're going to worry about this first. So now we got to do the order of operations again within these parentheses, because we've got a lot of stuff going on. So parentheses. I don't see any parentheses inside these parentheses. Exponents. You see any exponents inside this parentheses? I do right here. So I'm going to bring the parentheses down. Okay. 7 squared, that's 49. And then bring everything else down. Plus 3, and then times 2 outside the parentheses. And now 49 plus 3 in the parentheses. We do the order of operations again. But there's only one thing inside the parentheses, so we really don't need to go back up to the order of operations. But if you're having trouble, absolutely go up. You know, we don't have any parentheses inside there. We don't have any exponents. We don't have any multiplication, division. We do have addition. So 49 plus 3 is 52. And then we have this times 2. And we don't really need that parentheses there, but I'm just going to include it so that way nobody gets confused. So we have 52 times 2. And what's that? 104. So I hope this video was helpful to learn the order of operations. And I hope that it was helpful. So thanks for watching.